How to update your personal information in the Wells Fargo app. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to update your personal info in the Wells Fargo app. It's quite easy, so you can use either the web version or the app version. First thing you're going to have to do is log into your Wells Fargo mobile app and log into your account. Then you're going to have to locate your profile settings. So you can look for My Profile Settings or something similar within the app. This might be under the menu section. It is often represented by three horizontal lines. Then you can find your contact information. Find the area specifically for contact information, and you can choose what you want to edit. So if you want to edit your address, find the mailing address or something similar on the section, and you should be able to edit your existing address and add a new one. You can also edit your phone number within that same settings, as well as your email address. Now you can confirm your saves and changes. So you can review carefully what changes you've made and see if everything is correct and verify it. Then you can confirm and tap on the on-screen prompts to confirm your changes that you want to do. Then if you have any if you are updating your mobile number, you may need to verify it by responding to a text message or verifying an OTP. So that's how you basically update your personal information on the Wells Fargo app. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.